Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about heater that we use in winter season. Most of the people, especially in developing countries, do use different kind of heating elements, especially heaters for providing the heat to their birds. So today we will see that it is good as we think, or it has some kind of bad effects. Either the good thing, pros are goods or cons are goods. What we are going to see, the pros and cons, benefits and disadvantages of these things. Let's start this video. And first, as most of you know, that most of the people, especially in Pakistan or in developing countries, do use gas heaters. That those gas heaters are mostly even not recommended to be used in rooms for humans. But still, as we do not have a lot of resources and we cannot use electric heaters because they are too expensive, electric heaters and gas heaters cost is something else that will affect you. But there are other things that we need to consider. Fumes that are very dangerous for both. If they are dangerous for humans, but they are dangerous for your birds. Especially at the time when you have an enclosed environment for your birds. Still the ventilation is there, but that is not that much. If you see the foreign breeders, and you would see that they are just saving their birds from direct cold or direct cold winds, but they are not using heaters or too much heating elements for providing heat to their birds, but they are using different kind of natural resources or food that they use for this purpose, or even sometime unnatural things, so they can provide required things to their birds, so they can regulate their body temperature. But we here rely on using heaters or heating elements too much because we think they are better. So in today's video I will try to tell you that yes, they do provide heat to your birds. You do get a very cozy environment, but that cozy environment is good or not? What other things that you may be neglecting, that today I am going to tell you in the video, and then you can think. I would suggest that at the end, that what I think we should use it or not. So the first thing is that if you are, we will now talk about the gas heater. If you are using the gas heater, it is emitting a lot of fumes that can be dangerous. Electric heaters do not do it, or other heating elements do not do it. But heat that does. Moreover, it can catch on fire. Your setup can go on fire. Moreover, the gas can get leaked. There are Chinese heater or Japanese heater that are being used that do not leak gas if the gas went off. But most of the people, especially in India, Pakistan or developing countries, are using stoves or using gas heaters that are not even recommended to be used in human rooms for human usage. If they are not good for humans, how they can be good for your birds and animals? Moreover, if you are using electric heaters, then a spark or the blast from it can also cause either electric current in your shed, or it can cause fire due to short circuit in your shed. So we need to be very careful in this regard, so it can kill all of our birds at once. So I have made basically Urdu videos that I have done everything, but still my birds die winter season and summer season. That is in Urdu. I will try to put subtitles on it if whenever it would be possible for me to do so, because I cannot remake that video, because as now I make videos in two languages, English and Urdu. That helps me to tell the almost same story, because I am making them at the same time. But when you make videos with a gap, then you sometimes forget things what you have said in Urdu video and what you are going to say in English video. So you come up with something different, or you are not too much clear about it. So once you are doing those videos, then if there was a point that was missed in your Urdu video or English video, you can tell it in other video, so people can check it out, especially those people who know both of the languages. So I was telling about it, the short circuit, fumes, fire is something. Moreover, any element that you are using for heating causes dryness, and that dryness not only affects your shed humidity level, but it also affects that, it also causes dehydration in your birds, dehydration in your eggs, And moreover, this dehydration can have bad feathers or overall shape of the bird, and that can cause a lot of even respiratory problems for your bird. Just imagine you are sitting in a room, you are using AC type heaters, because in modern times we have air conditions that are providing us heat and cold, both of the airs. We can use their cold feature or their cold feature in I would say in summers, and heat feature in winters. But if you think that your heaters are permanently turned on, then you start to feel some bad thing if they are not automated to control the environment properly, and they are not regulating it, because most of the heaters we are using are unable to regulate it, because the Japanese heater that we are using, they are unable to regulate it, because they are already being used and they were sold or resold, and they are refurnished, and refurnished things may not be too much good, or may have some kind of problems in their calculations. So if you sit in an environment that the heater is turned on completely and it is an enclosed environment, you would start to feel bit kind of choking like environment, and you won't be comfortable, uncomfortable environment, and you would think that we need to go and get some fresh air from outside. So think about it, that what your birds would be going through if they you have put them in such kind of environment, and the ventilation is not that much good as it used to be in summers. So that means that you are doing something wrong, so you need to correct it. Moreover, it also pampers your blood birds a lot, and your birds can have immune system, especially the coming generations can have immune system which is not good enough to regulate the temperature of its body, or to control the temperature in winters, and to fight, especially when you are selling your birds to the people who either do not have facilities or cannot afford it, or do not know about it, that how they need to provide the heat to their birds, and that can cause a lot of problems, especially in developing countries. So you need to consider it. Moreover, the thing that will impact is that they can cause sorry, I have already mentioned it, that they can cause also respiratory problem. So I think there is just one benefit of it, that is it provides heat, it helps you control the temperature, but there are other things. Lower the humidity level, you need to either use humidifiers or other things for making the humidity level good, but it doesn't goes at that level which is required or which is good. It also causes suffocation, it also causes dehydration in your birds and animals. So I would suggest you, rather than using a lot of heating things, especially heaters, if you want to use less number of heating elements that do not heat up environment a lot, just provides a little bit help in it, and try to provide your birds with different kind of foods or proteins that can help your bird to regulate their temperature. And you need to keep your shed properly ventilated, do not close it completely, so it may not have any kind of ventilation. It can also result very badly. So this was for today's video, and my suggestion is that please use different things that helps your birds to regulate the temperature, and provide little bit of help to birds to in keeping the temperature good in your setup. But do not completely rely on these things, because they can cause a lot of problems. This also goes for when you use air conditions in summer for your birds. So please try using air condition in your summers also, because that can have the same impact on your birds. Thank you very much for watching this video. Inshallah we will see you next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.